Hello, everyone. Welcome back. And today we're diving into the wonderful world of canning tomatoes. Whether you have a bountiful garden or just scored a great deal on fresh tomatoes, learning how to preserve them through canning is a valuable skill. Stick around as we guide you through the process step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Introduction to canning. Canning is an excellent way to extend the shelf life of your tomatoes while preserving their flavor. It's a simple process that anyone can master with the right guidance. To begin, let's gather our supplies. Glass canning jars with lids and bands. Fresh tomatoes. Lemon juice or citric acid. Salt, optional. Canning pot. Jar lifter. Lid lifter. Funnel. Towels. Preparing tomatoes. Start with fresh, ripe tomatoes. Wash them thoroughly and remove the cores. If you want to remove the skins, blanch the tomatoes in boiling water for 30 seconds. Then transfer them to an ice bath. The skins will peel off easily. Preparing jars. Host. Next, let's prepare our jars. Wash them in hot, soapy water. And sterilize them by placing them in boiling water for 10 minutes. You can also use a dishwasher for this step. Ensure your lids and bands are clean and ready to go. Filling jars. Now, it's time to fill our jars. Use a funnel to make the process mess-free. Pack the tomatoes into the jars, leaving about ½ inch of headspace at the top. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice or a ¼ teaspoon of citric acid per pint jar to ensure safe acidity levels. Processing jars. Once the jars are filled, wipe the rims with a clean, damp cloth to ensure a proper seal. Place the lids on the jars and screw on the bands until they're fingertip tight. Now, it's time to process our jars in a boiling water bath. Sealing and storing. After processing, use a jar lifter to remove the jars from the water bath. Allow them to cool on a clean towel. You'll hear that satisfying pop sound as the jars seal. Once they're cool, check the seals by pressing down on the center of each lid. If it doesn't pop back, the jar is sealed. And there you have it, folks. Canning tomatoes is a fantastic way to enjoy the taste of summer all year round. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave your questions or tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy canning!